In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix too many failed attempts while creating a Yahoo email account. If you're seeing the "too many failed attempts" message while trying to sign up, don't worry. This error is a temporary lockout designed to prevent abuse. It usually lasts between 12 and 24 hours. The most important thing to know is that every new attempt during this period can reset the timer, keeping you locked out longer. So the first step is to pause. Close the sign-up page, stop trying for a while, and give the cooldown time to expire. When the lockout ends, the attempt counter resets automatically, and you'll get a clean slate. A practical tip is to set a reminder for later in the day or the next day, then come back to try again once enough time has passed. Next, before you retry, clear your browser data. Old cookies and cache files can carry over signals from previous attempts. In Google Chrome, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, choose Clear Browsing Data, and select the all-time range. Focus on clearing cookies and other site data, and cache images and files. Keep in mind this will sign you out of most sites, so make sure you can log back into anything important. Once cleared, fully close and restart your browser. Then open the Yahoo sign-up page and try creating the account again. If you're using a different browser, the steps are similar. Look for privacy or history settings and choose the option to clear cookies and cache for all time, then restart. If clearing data doesn't do the trick, switch your browsing environment. Open an incognito or private window to avoid using stored cookies. You can also try a different browser entirely, such as switching from Chrome to Firefox or Edge. If you still hit the error, try a different device or network. For example, use a phone on mobile data instead of your home Wi-Fi, or a different computer. This helps bypass device or network-specific blocks and cached identifiers. The key is to avoid repeating multiple failed attempts on the same setup. Try once in a fresh environment, and if it fails again, pause and let the cooldown finish before trying somewhere else. To recap, wait out the 12-24-hour lockout without retrying, clear your browser cookies and cache and restart, and if needed, switch to incognito, a different browser, or a different device or network. Follow these steps, be patient, and you should be able to complete your Yahoo email sign-up successfully. Thanks for watching.